Hey,
Yo!
stop the truck!
Can you hear the heartbeat of the land? They try to bend us, but we don't break. Justice for the fallen. Justice for the silent. Rise up! In the shadow of the neighbor, they try to keep us small. Building up the pressure, waiting for the nation to fall. Remember young Felani, assault so pure and bright. They took her life for nothing, left her hanging in the light on the barbed wire fence. Her body was a sign of a heartless border and a cold crew design. Rise up, we demand the truth today. Justice, wash the tyranny away. The autocrat has fled across the borderline. Now the blood on their hands is gonna scream through time. Give us justice. Let the virus man toil. For the sake of the people, let the wicked ones fall. They committed the massacre, then they ran into the night. With the help of the soldiers, they vanished out of sight. No other nation would take them, no other land would agree. But the neighbor opened doors for the ghost of tyranny. They sold our soul, they sold the riches of the earth to stay upon the throne. They forgot what we are worth. The people lived in shadows, the people lived in fear. The walls had eyes and the walls had ears. You couldn't speak your mind, couldn't voice the pain. Living in the silence of a heavy rusted chain. But the fire is burning, the fear is gone. A new day is rising in the red of the dawn. Every gift, every treasure, they gave it all away just to keep the crown. For another bloody day, oppression and the torture, the burden we did bear to please a foreign power while we gasping for air. Now we call for the hanging, let the sentence be done. No hiding from the spirit, no hiding from the sun. Rise up, we demand the truth today. Justice, wash the tyranny away. The autocrat has fled across the borderline, but the blood on their hands is gonna scream through time. Extradite the ghost, bring them back to the soil. The harvest is coming for the years of our toil. No more silence, no more fear.